shout the name. 1, 2, 3. Brian. Go.
Bree Mary Cuff, and I am 8 years
Go.
old.
Cut.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In the world so dark, they bring us some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bree, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
So in this video you're going to be seeing Bria and Brian taking on a Father's Day challenge at Television Jamaica. Enjoy. Who that? Who is me? They zoomed in. You laughing? You're getting the focus. No, don't move the head now. They're focusing.
What is your favorite sport? My favorite sport is. Okay. Yeah, I don't get it. What's up? Excuse me.
What's your name?
Could you introduce yourself and tell me a bit about yourself?
My name is Bria Marie Cuff, and I'm in grade 3, and I go to the school. I attend the school, Bel Air Early Childhood and Preparatory School.
Okay. How old are you, Bree?
I'm 8 years old.
Okay. All right. What makes your daddy special?
I am a daddy special because a lot of people say I look just like him because I have the rose teeth just like him, and also I just look so much like him.
Okay. What do you think a daddy's role in a family should be?
I think a daddy's role in the family should be is to take care of the children when the mom's not here, to act like a single dad, and to help out the children, to help them with their homework and stuff, and to make breakfast and dinner and lunch. So yeah, that's what I think that role should be.
What activity do you enjoy doing with your daddy?
I love to sing with my dad. We do a lot of singing. We sing like Shake It Off, Let It Go, and we even made my own song. Yeah.
Tell me what your own song is. Which song is that?
It goes like, my name is Bree, and when you see me, this is what you see. I am a cup, and I'm also a key. I am the big girl, here to my throne. Watch me from now until I'm grown. Stay in my lane, stay in my zone. Watch me from now until I'm grown.
Very good.
I like this cream, but I don't like the way it makes my eyes water.
We have dynamic host and sports producer Brian Cobb. The All right, see Cobb. Five, four, three, two, one. Your time. Hold on. Jesus. Everybody else in here. That's right. Go, Bree. A high five for Daddy. He knows you. Awesome. But the fun doesn't stop here, guys. You're gonna. Oh. All right, Bria. Okay, loving that moment. Austin. Yes, adventure, like his name says, around the back there. Awesome. All right. Everybody give yourselves a round of applause for our today. Awesome. All right. Thank you so much.
Watch that daddy there just lift up him daughter over the puddle. But here my thing now, him carry umbrella for yourself and out in the rain and wet up. Two of them can hold on the umbrella, you know. My G, the two of you can hold under the umbrella, my boss. What's up? We've been in the KFC line for about 45 minutes. It's raining in town, traffic in town, and we're stuck in traffic.
I don't see any buttons that's already down.
Okay, mama. 45 minutes went to an hour. Bass and Bree are trying to find a bathroom. Kingston, we don't miss this. Cufflinks fam. We're back. They are back in the car. We've been in this line for about an hour now. I want to do it, Kingston people. I want to do it. What I want to say is big ups to the 15 car behind we, because we feel so. Hey, you have some people, you know, every year when the rains come out, them post one video. I'm going to show you the video about Ward Avenue in Manchester. It's a road that's predominantly was known for flooding.
Why?
Show them, let them see.
That's dirty water.
Show them, babe. Show the cufflinks. Every year. Clear now the music. Clear now the music. So, the poor man. I have to go near him. Poor man, they probably live on Mandeville no more.
That is it. Olympics.
Yes, that's definitely not now, guys. Definitely not now.
This is years ago. But I won't say it out there no flood like this.
But that video is not.
No, this video is.
It's crazy. The harshest thing about this drive, we've been in KFC line drive-through for 1 hour already. We don't start our journey back home yet. Hey, man, I don't know what it is about customer service, you know. Like the lady in the drive-through, the cashier, she was so miserable. I'm understand and rude. I understand the traffic. I understand it's raining. I understand they want to go home. When you deal with people like that, no.
Listen, you know, funny enough, it's only in customer service, like in public places like these, that we make excuse for them, that owe them tired and owe them this and owe them that. When we have our jobs to do, we can't pull these things, you know? We cannot pull these things.
These stunts.
These stunts. We cannot pull these stunts or we're going home.
I've had to become a lot more gentle. There are moments, my daughters will tell you that I'm strict, but there are moments when I have to dial it back. I have to take up the dolls and to take up the toys and to, you know, stick with them and laugh and to put the clips in my beard. I should be there when the child is taking the first step.
That's what
I
they
should be there when the
means.
child is going out on that first prom date, going to high school, major accomplishments, every step of the way. It's just that, you know, we don't often see a lot of that.
We have dynamic host and sports producer Brian Cup. The Brian Cup team is here. Woo! All right.
Love to sing with my dad. We do a lot of singing. We sing like Shake It Off, Let It Go, and we even made my own song. It goes like, my name is Bree, and when you see me, this is what you see. I am a cup, and I'm also a key. I am the big girl, hair to my throne. Watch me from now until I'm grown. Stay in my lane, stay in my zone. Watch me from now until I'm grown.
Judging alone because I have some special people here to judge with me. So, the guys are here. You ready for the team? Ready for the team?
I'm the only
Bria
girl now.
Marie Cuff. Come on now, Bria.
That's
Hi,
my
Bria.
girl. Yeah.
What about Austin Wright? What is your child's middle name? 10 seconds. So, what? Kirk, really? Kirk was going to Time, Kirk, you cannot write anything. Wait, you better let that go. Turn your board up, Kirk. Kirk, turn your board around. Kirk, turn your board around. You know how to do that? That says spelling and language arts. You have to pick one. Spelling or language arts? Which one are you going with?
Language arts.
You just hear she says your teeth. Language arts. All right, that one is correct. Daddy says she does them all. Is that true?
Yes.
You don't have a least favorite chore? You just like to do everything?
I like to do everything.
Wash, cook,
I love to do everything.
clean, everything?
Everything.
All right, chef, come home and we can borrow. All right. Daddy on social media, I'm funny.
Yes. So my daddy does a lot of funny stuff, but something that he did today made me really laugh. So today, my sister Bella was having a test, and then we were going over it with her, and then Daddy said, what plus what gives you 7? Bella said 5 plus 2, and Daddy promised that if she got it correct, then he would run around the house and act like he has no sense. So he did.
And so he did. You sure he was acting like he didn't have no sense? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have a big winner, and it is on the count of 3. Everybody can shout the name. 1, 2, 3. Brian. So, you know more about your kid than anybody else in here. That's right. Go, Bria. High five for Daddy. He knows you're awesome. But the fun doesn't stop here, guys. Why is it called a pacifier?
Because the baby is too volatile.
Oh, too volatile.
It's too much of a
Look at your dad break off your sister's foot. You just got to make no sense over there, so here Kirk is hurting the baby. Austin, your baby sister is
losing her foot.
what is Bree? What is Daddy doing over there? You've never seen Mommy change your little sister before?
No.
Oh dear God Almighty! You have to fold the nappies, guys. If you don't know how to fold the nappies, there's a particular sequence.
The Vaseline.
Fire. You've never seen this one
There's
before?
learning burning.
It's the powder. Do they look at they know what they're doing?
No.
Oh my God.
Except for them.
Hey, Brian, I'm afraid for you. I'm worried. Let me see what's going on.
Alright, so I've never seen this thing before.
Alright, you can't put on the baby on the dirty place.
No. I was just showing you. I never saw
Okay.
this before.
You've never seen one.
This
A nappy?
nappy.
A nappy.
No, not up close and personal.
But you've heard of a nappy.
I hear that I used to wear it, but yeah, I didn't have that interaction.
So, passive nappy.
No, we used diapers.
Okay, that's rich. Go ahead, tell me the story.
Alright, so first she was crying, so I gave her the pacifier, and then I had to clean her down, so I used the wipes, and then I applied the petroleum jelly, maybe, or a lecithin back in some of her days.
In her days?
Yes, and then I ensured that I added some powder to make sure she's feeling fresh and nice, and then I just pinned it up nice and...
Pin it whole, because I see, I don't know.
I have to allow for a little breeze, because you don't want...
It's the folding part.
The folding?
It's the folding part. Hold on.
Take time with her, you know.
Oh God, hold her properly.
Yeah.
You have to hold her back.
I am,
Turn
my
around,
neck.
Mama, see. So this part is outside
You're
and this
exposing
part.
my baby.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's good to go. That's good to go.
Oh, shit, mama.
Kirk, dear God.
I'm telling you.
The ketchup supposed to in the sandwich.
It fell.
Alright, so what we have with the sandwich here? You grated.
It's an egg sandwich with the cheese. That's how she loves it. And I'm going to add some sausage. That's pretty much effective and simple.
And simple, alright, but we see some of the cheese gone for the ketchup bucket right here, so you might have to go grate some again.
It's fine.
And you're covering all the bases because they want the fruits and the vegetables and the protein and the carbs and stuff like that. You're raising a queen. 30 seconds to go in, gentlemen. Kirk!
30?
Oh my God, Kirk is over here cutting up sweet pepper. What you make with this already? What is over here? Drum roll, the winner is... Nobody? Everybody won today. Everybody, clap for yourself. Everybody won today. You're all winners. Yeah, it takes more than just making some lunches to be a dad and then changing a diaper. Yeah, you've all shown us what it means to be a super dad, not just today, but every single day. One day can't judge that.
Mr. Cup. Roses are red, violets are blue. You are my dad, and I love you. I love you, Dad. Happy Father's Day. You are the best. Love, Bree. My love for you is sky high.
Draw me too.
Number 1, Dad. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to the best dad ever. A dad is someone who loves you no matter what you do. Rose E. O'Donnell. Happy Father's Day, Dad. Father. Fantastic in every way, always there for me, teaching me skills, hero to our family, expecting great things from me. Really the greatest dad ever. Love, Bria. I have made prints of my little feet so you can remember when I was small and sweet. I will grow as the years go past, but my love for you will always last. To Dad, from your little Bree. Happy Father's Day.
But a little.
To my father, your firm and gentle ways help to mold me throughout my days. The echoing sound of your laugh fill the air with gladness. Your presence centrally makes me happier. You have made a soul pick in my life. There's no one that's quite like you to me. You're the perfect dad. That is what I hoped for you to be. A gentle giant that holds my heart so strong. You're my boo-boo bear. My daddy, I promise in my heart, whether you're far or near, to love you my whole life. However long, with only good cheer. The end. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. I love you. You're the best dad in the entire world.
Y'all had fun.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild.